Speech is a non-stationary energy signal which is used to convey information. Speech is mainly composed of two parts, the voiced part and the unvoiced part, of which the voiced has most of the information and the unvoiced part is a high frequency component which is usually neglected in speech recognition. We basically have three approaches in speech recognition, that is HMM, neural network and pattern recognition. We're now looking at the first one, that is HMM. HMM stands for Hidden Markov Modeling. It is the most modern and widely used technique in speech recognition. It is a statistical method used in speech recognition which gives a very high accuracy but requires a large amount of training data. Now looking at the third technique, that is pattern recognition. Pattern recognition technique is easy to understand and simple to implement. It gives a very high accuracy for small vocabulary speaker dependent systems. Now we will look at pattern recognition technique in detail.
This is the block diagram using pattern recognition approach for speech recognition. The first block is the filtering block. In filtering, what we do is we denoise the speech signal. In denoising operation, we remove those frames of speech signal which contains the unvoiced part. Because the unvoiced part contains no information and it adversely affects the recognition accuracy. Now the next block is time alignment and amplitude normalization. So why do we need time alignment and amplitude normalization? Because sometimes the speaker may speak loudly or he may speak slowly. Otherwise, he can speak fast or he may speak slow. So we need to normalize those effects. Otherwise, they will have adverse effect on the recognition accuracy. Now we are ready for the feature extraction. In feature extraction, we acquired two sets of features. First is LPC coefficients and the power spectral density for each frame of the speech signal. Now, after acquiring those features, we are ready with the comparison. We are ready for comparison. In comparison, we compare the reference pattern with the test speech, and in comparison block, we use several spectral distortion measure algorithms like Ithakaru's Saito distortion measure, which gives a low score for a matching pattern. And the pattern with lowest score is the recognized speech.
Now we will have the demonstration of the application. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.
Voice controlled robot. We have a robot here, a robotic vehicle which has got two motors and two wheels. The control circuit for the robotic vehicle. We have kept it on a platform so that it doesn't run away. We will only see how these wheels they rotate in forward direction, reverse direction, left and right and so on. And we also have a laser light which is also operated from the voice recognition module that we have. We have a voice recognition module which is interfaced to a microcontroller here. And this voice recognition module has been pre-fed with certain voice as far as its function is concerned, such as forward, 1 and 2 for forward, 3 and 4 for turn left, 5 and 6 for backward, 7 and 8 for right, 9 for laser on, and 10 for stop. So once we operate this through this command, we will notice how the operation happens. So once we switch on, I shall stop speaking any other words because it will be affecting some other function. So we will only speak to the extent that is required for the project. Forward, turn left, backward, Right. Laser on. Stop.